The world is reacting to Elon Musk's decision to rebrand Twitter by replacing the famous Bluebird logo with an X. Workers were seen pulling down the Twitter sign at the company's headquarters in San Francisco. It's accumulation of Musk's obsession with the 24th letter of the alphabet that started in 1999 when he founded X.com, the precursor to PayPal. The X.com domain now redirects to Twitter. The shift to the new logo started overnight. The website now displays an X, but the mobile app still has the familiar Bluebird for now. Elon's Twitter account and the official Twitter profile pic have been updated with a new logo, suggesting a full change is soon to come. The rebrand reportedly part of Musk's plan to make Twitter an everything app, which would function as much more than a social media messaging app. Twitter CEO Linda Yaccarino said in a series of posts that the rebrand is the start of a move to push the app in new directions. X is the future state of unlimited interactivity, centered in audio, video, messaging, payments, and banking, creating a global marketplace for ideas, goods, services, and opportunities, she wrote. Powered by AI, X will connect us all in ways we're just beginning to imagine. As a content creator, I'm excited by the prospects of the rebrand and the new expanding features being suggested. Earlier in July, Twitter began paying content creators for a share of the ad revenue earned from ads served in the replies to their posts. So imagine when Twitter refines the video content delivery on the platform, just how beneficial this could be to video content creators. What do you think about this latest move by Twitter? Let us know in the comments box below. And as a matter of interest, feel free to send me some feedback about this style of short form tech news on the channel. Thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. And you know what to do if you didn't quite like it. See you on the next one. Bye for now.